Imagine you're a doctor, but your patient is billions of miles away. That's the challenge NASA faced when Voyager 1, our intrepid explorer of the cosmos, sent a garbled message. This wasn't a distress call, but a sign that something was amiss. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, has traveled farther than any human-made object. It's been sending back valuable data about the outer solar system and beyond. This unexpected glitch jeopardized the mission. NASA engineers and scientists had to become cosmic detectives working tirelessly to decipher the problem. Their success is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of perseverance. The story of Voyager 1's repair is more than just a technical feat. It's a testament to our enduring curiosity and our drive to explore the universe around us. Voyager 1 is more than just a spacecraft, it's a time capsule. It carries with it the hopes and dreams of humanity, etched onto a golden record. This record contains greetings in 55 languages, music from around the world, and images that showcase the diversity of life on Earth. Its mission was to explore the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Voyager 1 sent back stunning images and groundbreaking scientific data, revealing the beauty and complexity of these distant worlds. But Voyager 1's journey didn't end there. It continued outward, into the uncharted territory of interstellar space. Even now, it continues to send back faint whispers of information, telling us about the space between the stars. Voyager 1 was cruising through the vast emptiness of interstellar space, billions of miles from Earth. Then, the unexpected happened. The spacecraft's articulation and control system, responsible for maintaining Voyager's antenna pointing, started sending back jumbled data. This system ensures that Voyager 1's antenna always points towards Earth, allowing it to transmit data back home. The garbled messages meant that the antenna was no longer properly aligned. This was a serious problem. Without a properly oriented antenna, Voyager 1 wouldn't be able to send data back to Earth. The mission team was faced with a daunting challenge. How do you fix a spacecraft that's so far away that a one-way message takes over 22 hours to arrive? This wasn't like fixing a car or a computer. This was a problem of cosmic proportions. Diagnosing the problem with Voyager 1 was like trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle with only a few pieces. The data being sent back was confusing and incomplete. The engineers had to rely on their knowledge of the spacecraft's design and their experience to make sense of the situation. Adding to the challenge was the sheer distance between Earth and Voyager 1. Every signal sent to or from the spacecraft took over 22 hours to travel at the speed of light. This meant that a simple question and answer session could take 2 days. Time was of the essence. The longer the problem persisted, the greater the risk of losing contact with Voyager 1 altogether. The team had to work quickly and efficiently to diagnose the problem and find a solution. Section 5. Whispers from the Void. Communicating with Voyager 1. Communicating with Voyager 1 is no easy feat. It requires a global network of giant radio antennas called the Deep Space Network, or DSN. These antennas are strategically located around the globe to ensure that there's always one in contact with Voyager 1 as the Earth rotates. Even with these powerful antennas, the signals received from Voyager 1 are incredibly faint. Imagine a whisper from across a crowded room. That's how weak the signal is. The DSN has to use sophisticated technology to amplify and filter these signals, extracting the valuable data from the noise of the cosmos. The time delay in communication adds another layer of complexity. Engineers can't just send a command and see the results immediately. They have to carefully plan each instruction, taking into account the time it takes for the signal to travel to Voyager 1 and back. Section 6. The Power of Archives, Searching for Clues. To understand the problem, the engineers delved into the archives, looking at decades-old data and design specifications. They pored over old telemetry readings, searching for any clues that might explain the spacecraft's strange behavior. These archives are a treasure trove of information, meticulously kept since Voyager 1's launch in 1977. They contain detailed records of every command sent to the spacecraft, every piece of data received, and every anomaly encountered. The engineers meticulously compared the current data with historical records, hoping to find a pattern or a clue that would lead them to the root cause of the problem. This was a painstaking process, but it was essential for understanding the situation and formulating a plan of action. Section 7. A Needle in a Haystack. Pinpointing the Error. After weeks of analysis, the team finally found the culprit. The AACS was sending its telemetry data to the wrong computer on board Voyager 1. This meant that while the AACS might have been working correctly, the data was being sent to a place where it couldn't be read or interpreted. Imagine writing a letter but accidentally addressing it to the wrong house. The letter itself might be perfectly fine, but it would never reach its intended recipient. That's essentially what was happening with Voyager 1's AACS data. Finding this error was a major breakthrough. It meant that the problem wasn't with the AACS itself, but rather with how it was communicating with the rest of the spacecraft. This gave the engineers a much clearer target for their repair efforts. Section 8. Commanding a spacecraft. The art of remote control. Fixing Voyager 1 from billions of miles away is a delicate dance of commands and confirmations. Each instruction sent to the spacecraft has to be carefully crafted and tested to ensure that it won't have any unintended consequences. The engineers developed a plan to instruct Voyager 1 to send its AACS data to the correct computer. This involved sending a series of commands to reconfigure the spacecraft's internal routing tables, essentially telling it where to send its data. This process was nerve-wracking. Every command sent to Voyager 1 was a leap of faith, as it took over 44 hours to send the command and receive confirmation that it had been executed correctly. But the team persevered, their every action guided by their deep understanding of the spacecraft and their unwavering commitment to the mission. Section 9. Voyager's triumph back online and exploring. After weeks of tense anticipation, the moment of truth arrived. The team sent the final command to Voyager 1 instructing it to switch its AACS data to the correct computer. Then they waited. Hours turned into days as the team anxiously awaited confirmation. Finally, the signal arrived. Voyager 1's AACS data was being received loud and clear. The fix had worked. The relief in the control room was palpable. They had done it. They had fixed a spacecraft from billions of miles away, breathing new life into a mission that had already far exceeded its initial goals. Voyager 1 was back online and ready to continue its exploration of the cosmos. Section 10. The legacy of Voyager inspiring generations. The story of Voyager 1's repair is a testament to the ingenuity, perseverance, and collaborative spirit of humanity. It reminds us that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, we can overcome obstacles and achieve the extraordinary. Voyager 1, now over 46 years old, continues to send back valuable data from the frontiers of interstellar space. Its journey has inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers, igniting our imaginations and fueling our desire to explore the universe we inhabit. As Voyager 1 continues its lonely journey among the stars, it carries with it the legacy of human curiosity, ingenuity, and our unyielding thirst for knowledge. It stands as a beacon of our ambition, a testament to our ability to reach beyond our planet and explore the vast cosmic ocean that surrounds us.